hello. This is Alice coming in from Beamer's Crafty Corner. And today I was a very good girl. Yep. I did not slap somebody. That's about it. That's basically how we're measuring my behavior as of late. It's a long story. I will give you the short version. I bought these stickers. I loved the stickers. I got these brads. I loved the brads. I thought the brads went with the stickers, and I went, oh, if only I could find the paper. I looked for the paper. I found the 12 by 12. It was hideous. Saw the 6 by 6. Sometimes the 6 by 6 or the 8 by 8 is just a better looking piece of paper because the images are smaller. It's more compact. I like the 6 by 6 sometimes. So I found 2 of them at my local Joann's. They sent me an email, said your stuff's ready, come get it. We got there, they couldn't find it. The girl that was looking for it was brain damaged. She is picking up giant bags. I'm like, lady, it's 6 by 6 inches, 2 pads. It can't be more than an inch high. Okay? And she's picking up these huge packages going, oh, this isn't it. This isn't it. She looked through everything. And like 3 or 4 times, we even went and looked on the shelf. And she still couldn't find it. As I was walking out the door, I looked on the rack, and it was sitting right there. Yeah. So I got my pads. So this is my pads. This is 36 pages. This is the Boulevard collection from BoBunny. And like I said, I didn't like the 12 by 12, but I really like the 6 by 6. Let me pull this up here so you guys can see this. I really like this. I didn't like the 12 by 12. The pages just looked gaudy. And in the 6 by 6, it's beautiful. So I've got it. We're going to do a project with it soon. No problem. Now, I had no intention at all of scaventuring today. Didn't. Nope. Wasn't going to do it. And then we went to the Dollar Tree so I could get some bags. You know, just some sandwich bags, some 1 gallon Ziplocs, you know, that kind of thing. And Hubbard said, son needs pens. End of that, I was in the pen aisle. Bad place to put a paper crafter. And I saw these. Now, I have these in the Christmas colors. I have like the dark green and the yellow and the blue and the red. And I had never seen these before. Purple, orange, like a teal blue, and this like lime green color. And I had never seen them in this color, so I grabbed them. And these are like paint pens. You shake them up, and then you have to push the nib in to get the paint to begin to flow. And once it starts to flow and covers the tip, then you can draw with it, and it has glitter in it. This is one of the few ways that I allow glitter, okay? And it dries pretty quick, you know, so I grabbed, they were 2 in a pack, so I grabbed 2 packs, different colors I didn't have. Love these things, use them all the time. So I did not find the pen that I wanted for my son, because he needed a pen for his HVAC, so we went to the 99-cent only store. I needed to get ice cream anyway, and I needed to get some of the padded mini mailers. And so we went over there, and I found these, and they were 3 in a pack. So I got 4 packs, all different colors. And these are Liquimark Color Therapy Gel Pens. And they have ultra-fine points on them. You see that tiny little point? Yeah, it's microscopic, right? And you can write really narrow with these, and I love to play with my gel pens. And so I thought, you know, these would be good for like smaller areas that I'm working on. They don't have any glitter in them or anything. They are not the liquid gel, so they don't leave that liquid appearance. They just write really nice. So I grabbed those. I figured, what, you know, $3-4, no big deal. And they're just nice. They have a good glide to them, but they have a very, very fine line. And so, you know, I had to have them, so I got them. Stay. And that brings me to what I was really making this video about, which is I have something new in the shop. I have these. These are laser cut gears made from wood. So you can put, you know, your rubs on these, paint on these, whatever you want to put on them. They are balsa wood, so they're very lightweight. And that means that you can add, you know, that look, that heavy layered steampunk look to a piece without adding a lot of weight to it. And it gives you a chance, you know, to play with your waxes and things. So I grabbed these. I'm putting them in the shop. There's 20 pieces, 20 random pieces in each pack. And I am going to be doing these for $3. So you are going to get 20 random laser cut gears for $3. I am going to be putting these in the store, guys. It is a very limited supply because I only ordered one set to, you know, I only ordered one unit so that I could see if, you know, there was any interest. If there's interest, I will definitely get more in. But if there is no interest, then no bueno, you know? I won't order anymore. So these are going to be in the shop. You could just search wood gears, and you'll find them. And they will be listed as of tonight. That's it. That's all I have for you. So do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, hit the red button and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got gears and glittery markers and pens. And I solved the mystery of the BoBunny pad. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.